So when you start your own business, you spend a lot of time trying to talk about how the world sees you, what they think of you, and then you want to express to them what you're trying to be. What I want to impress upon you today, it is not as much about how you see yourself as is how you are seen by the world. Perception. Perception is reality. Hi, I'm Bill Herman with The Entertainment Experience. This is Creative License. Thanks again for being a part of the show. So, perception being reality, what you want to do is to figure out how people see you and how you see yourself, and find out which one of those things really can help you along the way. Why do I say that? Because we see things differently. Everybody does. Here's an example. This is where we are. I'm in London right now. And if you look around, we're in Piccadilly Square. Piccadilly Square is a beautiful place. And anybody who comes here from the United States thinks of Piccadilly Square as the Times Square of London, right? Okay, I can see that. You got the big video wall up there, and you've got all these buskers everywhere, and it's bustling, it's exciting. That's why people in New York would think that, right? Well, those people that live in London, they see Times Square as the Piccadilly of the United States. Perception, reality. Who are you talking to? Are you just showing off who you are and think that people will like that? Or are you really coming off as the perception of everybody seeing you? Perception is reality. What's yours? What's theirs? It's important to know that. All right, well, until next time, I'll see you next week on Creative License. Bye now.